From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've been tracking 3 weather makers in the weather lab over the last several days. One bringing us storms this evening, the second and third one bringing us rain and storms as we head into the weekend and early next week. More on those systems in just a bit. So as we take a look at the big picture here, we have our one weather maker moving through the nation's midsection. The next one is just off the coast of the northwest U.S. And then the second one that was over way to the west is now moving through the Aleutian chain and will eventually dive down and be our Tuesday weather maker. So we have Wednesday, we have Saturday, then we have Tuesday. After that, maybe we'll settle on just some nice and cool weather, but changeable weather in our future for sure. Here's that storm system that's impacting us, producing big snows across the high plains, showers and thunderstorms trailing to the south. But the main impetus with this weather system continues to be off to the northeast. So it's kind of just dragging a front through our area. So big picture, we have all the winter storm warnings and advisories off to the north, to the south. We do have a tornado watch that's in effect from eastern, northeastern Louisiana into Mississippi. This is through 8 p.m. Notice we had one to our west and northwest that did include Beauregard and Vernon Parish. That watch has been dropped, and it's been mum has been the word coming out of the Storm Prediction Center, so I don't think they're going to be issuing any weather watches across our part of the world at the very least. You can see the more active storms up towards Cenla, where we're seeing a fair bit of positive cloud-to-ground lightning. That usually means strong updrafts and downdrafts and gusty winds. And then we have that line that's a broken line that works its way down through southwest Louisiana, offshore into the Gulf of Mexico as well. Heaviest rains, these are big soaking rains across portions of Rapides Parish, where they'll catch a couple of inches of rain tonight. For the rest of us, we're not going to see a whole lot of rain, but we will see scattered showers and storms moving in over the next several hours. So you can see the line just about working its way through Lake Charles. And then we'll be watching this thunderstorm cluster. These sometimes can get out of hand. We'll see what the trend is on whether this strengthens or weakens as it moves into Cameron Parish and then eventually through Acadiana in about, say, 90 minutes to 2 hours time. Right now, not a whole lot going on across most of Acadiana. We do have some light showers showing up across western portions of St. Landry Parish, between Eunice, Opelousas on up through east of Ville Platte, and then up toward the Beggs area. And then as we get back to the west, we do see a little bit more in the way of rain shower activity and that heavier activity as we get up into Rapides Parish up toward Alexandria. So as we look at the model data, again, all our models not indicating a solid squall line moving on through. Showers, a few embedded thunderstorms. Lafayette prime time is going to be around 10 p.m., give or take a half hour, 45 minutes or so. And then activity will continue to push off to the east. We'll keep an eye on the radar, but concern relatively low. Just stay with us, especially on social media. You can just keep a close eye on the Twitter and Facebook feed. If something should come up, you would know. As we head into tomorrow morning, it's going to be cool, mostly sunny skies, but some high clouds out there dulling the sun, and that could dictate how warm we get. Upper 60s, lower 70s the call right now, but if the clouds are a little bit thicker, we'll be closer to the mid to upper 60s. Clouds certainly come in as we head toward Friday as our next weather maker takes shape, and that's going to bring rain and storms to the area as we head into Saturday, with this area of rainfall expanding greatly during the day on Saturday. I got high rain chances coming up on Saturday as well. Rainfall this evening, additional rainfall. You can see not much. Quarter inch for most of us. There could be a few spots that catch a half inch. The model forecasting another 7/10 of an inch of rain for Alexandria, but probably a little bit more than that. Then here comes our Saturday weather system. Good soaking on the way, and this is rain accumulated through the time frame. So we'll just add the next weather system next Tuesday. You can see that one's going to have plenty of rain with it. So here's 7 days rather, going through Thursday morning, about 7 days worth of rainfall. So we're going to be on the wet side and certainly the cooler side as we get into that 10-day forecast. For tonight, mid-50s by tomorrow morning after those storms. We'll watch the storms. Tomorrow, upper 60s, lower 70s. Then we'll see the cooler air coming in. Tomorrow night, we get down into the 40s. And for your Friday afternoon, the cloud cover is going to keep us in the upper 50s to lower 60s. So it's back to jackets and sweaters as we move forward. So 54 the low tonight. Showers and storms. A high rain chance at about 90% up until about midnight, 1 a.m. Then you see it clears out thereafter and will be quiet as we go through daybreak tomorrow with westerly winds. Turning northwesterly tomorrow, we'll go 72 the high with mostly sunny skies. Some high clouds clouds out there, but we're not sure on how thick those high clouds are going to be. But nonetheless, we'll be cheerful about tomorrow. I think it's going to be the best day of the week. Clouding up as expected Friday, rain coming back in Friday night into Saturday, ending early Sunday, and then another weather maker next Tuesday. And all along, in addition to needing the rain gear, you're going to need jackets and sweaters as well. Highs upper 50s, lower 60s, and lows dipping down 40s, some 30s possible next week.
All right, break out those blue numbers, maybe.
Yeah, well, no, we're not. We're gonna. I think we stay above the
Purple?
blue.
Okay,
the 32.
good.
No, purple.
Purple's
no.
below the blue. Okay,
Purple's
got
below
it.
the
Yeah.
blue,
All right,
yes,
thanks,
yes.
Rob.